We've made really good progress putting most of the interior out of the car now, so all that's left is the dash, the steering wheel, and a few connections that come through the bulkhead. While my brother's here and we've got two sets of hands, we're going to look at starting mounting this car on the rollover jig that I bought for it a few months ago. Just realised that the rollover jig actually bolts to the bulkhead, so I need to take the front frame off. Great to have the shell mounted on the rotisserie now. One thing I'm not too happy about though is the amount of cantilever here, because the brackets that mount to the bulkhead are just these two either side, and so because the distance of this frame from the actual supporting A-frame, there's a huge amount of cantilever. So I've actually got a transmission jack underneath the bulkhead here that I lifted it up with, and as soon as I take that away, this lot just bends up. So I'm not too happy about that. So what I'm looking to do is add a reinforcement brace that goes from here down to these structural mounting points of the engine frame that go into the bulkhead here, and that will really help stiffen it up. Fortunately, the kit for this rotisserie actually came with these longitudinals, so those go between the front and the rear A-frame, so that when you're manoeuvring it all stays together rather than just suddenly splays out. But there's excess rectangular section tube that I can actually cut off. It looks as though those will fit really nicely where I need to onto the bulkhead. I've now got a reinforcement leg dropping down to the bulkhead on both sides, so I should be able to drop it off this transmission jack and it should be able to take the strain a lot better. So with it mounted to my satisfaction now on the rotisserie, all I need to do is take the doors off and hopefully it'll just rotate nice and easily onto its side and upside down. here it is, the shell mounted on the rotisserie. Really nicely and securely. It stays balanced when it's rotating and I can lock it into position securely. Please join me next time when I'll be wading through the pile of bits that I've taken off this car and start the refurb. Thanks for watching.